Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating. So the question name is lunchtime. Okay, so here is given the chef has his lunch on only between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. Okay, and give that the current time is x p.m. Find whether it is a lunchtime or not. If it is a lunchtime, so you just have to find that whether it is a lunchtime or not. Okay, so the lunchtime of is from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, you have to check whether it is lunchtime or not. Okay, if it is lunchtime, then you just have to print yes, else you have to print no. Okay, so let's understand with an example here. So here is given a 1 p.m. and 7 and 3. So here is given a 1, 7 and 3. You just have to check whether 1 is less than or equal to 1 or less than equal to 4. Yes, so you just have to print yes. Whether 7 is less than, it is greater than 1, yes, but it is not less than 4. So this is no. Okay, in the same way 3 is greater than 1 but less than 4, so you have to print yes. Okay, so I hope you understand. You just have to do check. This is the pseudo code here. If x is greater than equals to 1 and x is less than equals to 4, then you just have to print yes, else you have to print no. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to take int t, which is number of test cases, and see int while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x and then see in x. If x is greater than or equals to 1 and then x is less than equals to 4, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, and then else you just have to do cout no. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.